What is up, everyone? This is MoTutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the error 1053, or the service did not respond to the start or control request in a timely fashion. So let's get right into this. So all you need to do is go to your search bar and type in registry editor until you see this open up. In here, once you have this opened up, we're going to close everything out. We're going to basically go into specific spots to make this basically fix this error. So you want to open up HKey local machine. Once you have this opened up, the next thing you're going to open up is system. The next thing you're going to open up in system is basically current control set that you see over here. And then in here, you don't need to open up anything else. You basically just need to click into control, right? Like I just did over here. You may get an error. It's okay. You just press OK. Once you have that open up, we're basically going to create a new file, or I don't want to call it a file, but a DWORD 32-bit value here. And basically once you click into this, it's going to show up over here, and we're going to call this service. I want to make sure you spell it correctly as well. Services pipe timeout. So you're going to basically call it that, and you're going to press enter. So make sure you spelled it right. I always triple check because you'd be surprised. I mess up my spelling sometimes. So once you've done that, double click into it, and you're going to change it from hexadecimal into decimal. And we're going to change, basically we're going to change the value dates into 180,000. So 180,000. Okay, make sure it's 180,000. You're going to basically press OK, restart your computer, and you should be good to go, and you should not have these errors persist any longer. So yeah, that's all it is. If you guys do this, you should be good to go. So yeah, if you guys love the video, please buy thumbs up. If you guys in the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and then MoTutorials out. Peace.